Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today, it's October 29th and it's Creole Day in my country, Dominica, where I'm from. So this is my spin on it. I'm wearing a little, this is I think some African print, but we were that kind of print. We were madras and just different bright colors. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so Dominica Flag is has like a ton of different colors, like just green and yellow and let me see if I can find it like real quick. So you have like an idea. So this is our flag right here. This is Dominica Flag, see? So I'm gonna do like green and yellow and maybe a little black. Maybe just green and yellow, and then I can put gold, which is signifies yellow. So yeah, so we're just gonna get into it. So I used this palette, the Antidote, the other day, and I kind of liked it. So I'm gonna use this green. It's not actually, no, I'm not gonna use this green. I'm gonna use this green. It's not the same green, but it's a green. So I'm gonna use that. This palette is so big. That's one of those other palettes that you can't really go anywhere with, like except home. But if you're driving to where you're going, because if you're flying, that's like literally half of your luggage. So I'm gonna take this 217 from Makeup by Yolondo. Oops. And let's jump into it. Okay, so let's go into Clover, which is that green, and I'm gonna put it right here. See, I feel like I might need something a little bit darker than this. If I do, we'll find something darker. And then when I get to the edges, I just kind of buff it a little bit. Like so. Okay, now we're gonna go into Sable. Sable looks like so. And I'm gonna put that on 204. This that I'm wearing is actually a belt. But you know what? Sometimes you have to, make what you have work. So, there you go. Man, I've had the roughest week. But, it's called life. See, that green is real pretty. But it's two greens together, but I feel like it's not giving me what it needs to give. It's like I'm still not getting what I want to get. You know what? We'll just go into like black, since we do have black in our flag. So I will use this shade. I'm gonna use this other blush. Which one is that? The 208. And we're gonna go into Antidote. Actually, that's not a black, that's a green. But it's perfect because it's dark. And I just want it like right here. So I don't want to go super dark, but for what I want. Yep, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So let's go back into Clover. And now we're gonna go back into Sable. Okay, no, it's called that crease. I don't know, man. Like, I'm still trying to figure out if I'm gonna talk about my medical procedure that's coming up. Like, it's rough. It's rough. Yeah, people don't understand, you know, but we'll see. People don't understand. But I'm going for a little bit of a hard time. Just a little bit. This week been crazy, but you just have to, you know, tie your waist and just keep it moving, as they say, you know, back home. Have you seen that Morphe? Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Oh my god, the faces. Them faces be lit. So I'm gonna use my B base, which is what I had on there before, and we're gonna use that to cut the crease. And I'm just like breaking out, which I know why I'm breaking out so much, because I'm so stressed out. But thank God, you know, most of this gets edited, because whoo, ain't nobody trying to just sit down there and watch me do this. This takes forever. Okay, now let us go in. I want to put like a shade down. Let's put Suede, which is just like a little light yellow. Like so. And now I'm gonna go into this shade right. I'm just gonna go with a nice gold, which is this gold right here called Honey. And we're gonna put that. I need some, what do I need? Like I need some honey. No, I don't know honey. I don't need no honey. I need a blush. This will work. So, no. I need a small blush. Then we're gonna use this and we're gonna go into Honey. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna just blend this a little bit. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so that's it. Love it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. I love how this, you know, look came out. My spin on my Dominica Flag. I know I'm missing the other shades, but wasn't trying to go too crazy. But I really like how the yellow, black, and green came out. So I love it. So let's jump to the face. I'm actually gonna use my Uoma Beauty. I've already primed my face. And as I said earlier on in my video, my face is not having the best time. I am super stressed out, so my face is like pretty much feeling the brunt of it all, but it's all good. And I'm using my Love is the foundation brush to blend this. See, I'm breaking out just like ooh, still fell. It still fell. Oh my God. Yeah, my face is just not a happy camper, but you know, it happens, and there's not much I can do about this. It's just I am stressed out. I know why I'm stressed out. Yeah. Can I get myself out of that funk? Not really. Because, you know, what I'm going through is pretty tough. So it's just like, not really sure how to get out of it pretty much. So I'm just, you know, taking it one day at a time. I'm going to use my Kiss concealer. I think I need a little shade a little bit lighter than this. Maybe. Let's go with a little bit of one size, just a little bit. And let that dry up a little bit. This is from, it's deep, it's a matte bronzing from Danessa Myricks. Yeah, I don't know about that. But let me see. And no, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna like, that's the same brush I use for the contour. This is from, what's the face? Makeup Forever, and it's the Ultra HD powder. Let's use my Micro Smooth from Sephora. Now let's go to the waterline real quick, or the lower lash line, and let's, you know, get that slayed. This brush is like so good for this. What's this? An M443 from Morphe. This is actually a liner brush. Okay, let's go back to this palette, and we're just gonna put that super dark shade that we have, you know, on order V. Just bringing that nice and close. And now we're gonna go to Clover. And now I'm gonna go in with Sabre just a little bit, not too much. Now we need to dust off. Where did I put that? That green. Should I just bring this down? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna bring that yellowish goldish color that I have in my inner corners. I'm just gonna bring it down. Just bring it down. I'm just putting like a little base. And I'm gonna take this real small blush, and we're just gonna bring down that shade. We're gonna bring down Honey. So this is done, except I'm gonna put this gold liner from Marc Jacobs in my waterline. You know, people feel like YouTube is all glitz and glam. I'm a like micro YouTuber. I don't even consider myself a small YouTuber. Micro, I'm little. And it's hard, like you have to, you know, like days like today I don't feel good, but life goes on and you gotta record. I'm gonna use this bronzer from, you know, Juvia's Place. I don't usually do this, really, but sometimes, you know, your girl gotta do what your girl gotta do. Just sometimes very rarely, but you know, sometimes you go. Okay, now let it go. Let me put my earrings before I forget. Trying to find this. Oh, this will work. This is from Colourpop. This is Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. And I'm gonna use this from Kylie Jenner. What shade is this? Holy Berry. Holy Berry, kind of like Halle Berry, but Holy Berry. That's cute. That is cute. We're gonna line our lip first. Let's dust off that powder as soon as I can find my powder brush. I don't know why I pulled this all the way down like I'm gonna go fight some, you know, martial arts thingy.
Enough talk. Let's fight. Shakabui!
Okay, so that's it for this video. Oh my god, I had so much fun just, you know, creating a nice fun kind of, you know, look to celebrate Dominica's independence or Creole Day. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, join the family, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Better get started.